Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Android phone automatically on the silent. If your Android phone is automatically going into silent mode, there are several steps that you have to follow and to fix that issue. So first of all, you have to restart your device. Restarting your device is the most common cure that can work anytime in almost any scenarios. So try restarting your device to see if the issue has resolved. Now you can also check the ring volume. Check the ring volume sound settings of your Android device and see if the ring volume is muted or normal. And there are four categories in the sound settings in Android device: media volume, alarm volume, ring volume, and notification volume. So also guys, you can check do not disturb mode. In settings and go to sound and tap on do not disturb mode. Scroll down and here you can see tap on do not disturb mode and you can see it's off. Hope you guys understand and like my video. Please consider